What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video on Pure Panorama. I want to start by apologizing for there being so much time in between uploads right now. We will get back on a routine where we are uploading more frequently, if not daily again here in the near future. I am really right now just trying to focus on a few different things, and I can't do everything. I'm only a one-man band and I can't play all the instruments, so I'm doing what I can, and I just want you guys to know that there will still be uploads coming your way, even if they're only a couple each week for right now. But we are going to be getting back into hopefully daily content really soon. But the topic of this video is actually some stuff that is concerning me with the old 24 valve. Oh boy, here we go again. It never ends, my friends. Wait, am I a poet and I didn't even know it? So I just been cruising on the highway right now, and I had to run down to the store, so I figured I would go to the store that was furthest away from me so that I could take a good little rip on the highway in the truck. And upon doing that, I noticed that my EGT gauge is riding a little warm. Not 100% sure, obviously, what is causing it to do that. However, I did notice a couple weeks back that it was doing the same thing, and it was really ramping up pretty quick when I would get into the throttle and take off from a stop, or if I was just cruising, say, on the highway, and I would go to pick up speed and accelerate. I noticed that the gauge was climbing up there pretty quick. And I really wasn't getting into the throttle all that much. I couldn't even press it down hardly without the gauge just jumping and spiking out up there to 12, 13, 1400 degrees. I didn't really think anything of it then, though, because when I started the truck up later that day to leave work and head home, it wasn't doing it. So I didn't really think anything of it, and I honestly kind of forgot about it until now. But I was just in town after leaving the store waiting to get back on the highway, and I noticed that the truck was idling around 500 degrees, and it never idles around 500 ever. Typically my truck idles around 350, 400 while I have it in gear. Say if I'm sitting at a red light or whatever, sitting around town, cruising around town, and I come to a stop, it'll idle around 350, 400 degrees. So that is what I'm used to seeing on the gauge as being normal. So when I looked over and I was just waiting at the red light to turn onto the highway and I saw it was idling at 500, well, it's got me wondering a few things. And even just being on the highway right now and cruising, it's up around like 800 when I'm at 70, 75, and it usually would be around 650, 700 or so. So I don't know what the deal is. I don't know if one of my injectors is getting a little gunked up or if maybe one of them is sticking. I really don't want to have to pull the injectors out to inspect them, but if this keeps up, then we may have no choice. We might be pulling the injectors out to take a look at them or clean them and see what we find once we get them out. So I guess for right now, we'll just keep an eye on things, but I tell you, I don't like what I'm seeing at 500 degrees. So right now, when I just came to the stop getting off the highway, it actually dropped down to 450. So it's getting back down there around that normal level that it usually idles at, but still a little bit high. I don't have too much planned for the weekend as far as the truck goes. We are gonna do an install on it, though. It's not a major install. It's just something small, something that I've been waiting to put on and get on the truck to kind of change the look of it a little bit. Not much, but like I said, just a small install that we are going to do this weekend. I don't know if I will be getting into anything else, anything bigger. I guess we'll see what the weekend brings. When we get home, I will show you what I am. No, I won't show you what I'm going to install. Maybe I'll just show you the box and I'll let you guys take guesses on this video. I also want to know what your guys' thoughts and opinions are on doing some Q&A videos, or possibly me doing more like a live stream video to where you guys can hop on and watch, and we can kind of do like a hangout session and you guys can ask questions, or we can all kind of shoot the breeze. You guys obviously would be in the comment section talking to me, and then I could respond to you through the video. So let me know what you guys think about that. Do you think that's something that you guys would want to do and get involved with? Should we do that here on the channel? I think that could be fun at times to do that, maybe once a month or something, to maybe just start out for now. But if it all went well, if we do try it, maybe we can make it more of a frequent thing and turn it into like every other week or every week, once a week. So let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. But definitely I want to do some Q&A videos coming up and let you guys ask some questions on my Instagram. So how that would work is I would have you go to the last picture that I posted and then go and leave your questions there, and I would just go through them and answer them on a video and upload it the next day. So if you guys want some Q&A videos and some live hangout, live streaming video type of deals, let me know in the comment section and we will see if we can make that happen pretty soon. I will have a couple videos dropping this weekend talking about some more stuff as far as the truck goes. Another issue that I have going on and what I think it might be. Not really too thrilled about that issue, to be honest with you. And also a couple of videos talking about some other things, video series that I want to get into for the winter time and things of that nature. So keep your eyes peeled for those. If you guys don't already have this done, make sure you're clicking on that bell button to turn on the post notifications so you guys get notified as soon as I upload. Then you know, like on times like these where I'm not uploading as frequently, you'll get notified instantly as soon as I upload a video, so you can swing through, check it out, and see what's going on with the truck, the channel, whatever it may be. So go ahead and click that bell for me if you could. So the truck was just idling fine when I got back to the house, or at least more in its normal EGT range. So it dropped down like to 380-ish or whatever. That was when I put it in park though. So it was still up around like 450-ish when I had it in gear with my foot on the brake. So still a little bit warm, not quite as warm as it was when I was in town, but there's definitely something going on where it's making those EGTs ride a little bit warmer than usual, and I'm not used to that and I'm not liking it. So like I said, we'll keep our eye on it and go from there. If we need to pull injectors and check them out, check the nozzles and things like that, then we will do that. But as for right now, all I can do is just watch it and see if it continues to ride higher than it usually does. But I'm gonna close this video out here so I can get inside and get it edited. It's getting dark out here. I'll show you the box of what we are installing tomorrow on the truck, so you guys can leave those comments down below and take your guesses. Remember to hit that post notification button for me so you know and get notified as soon as I upload. So if I'm not uploading on a regular schedule like I'm doing right now, you will get notified as soon as the video drops and you can swing through the channel, see what's going on, and get updated. Also, don't forget to hit that like button for me on your way out. If you're stopping in for the first time, you're new here, hit that subscribe button, join the family, help climb to that 2,000 subscriber mark, and I will see you tomorrow with that install video. Peace. We got any guesses, boys and girls? What's in the box? What do you think it is? Leave your comments down below.